Well, hey, model rail fans and uh, rail fans that chase the real stuff. This is Alan, RDA and scale, and we uh, got treated with a kind of a nice treat today. This afternoon, or yesterday afternoon, Sunday. It's now Monday now. We seen Union Pacific Katy UP 1988 come through the city of Hutch. And when we first seen her out there by Blanchard, she was rolling pretty slow. Had a Kansas City Southern right behind her, and they were rolling up to on the siding, rolling to then to stop on the siding because intermodal was coming by. So they let the intermodal go by, and then they rolled out as well. So she was pulling a full grain, and even though that I don't have her pulling my grain, we'll do a little different. We'll have Katy pull our intermodal set we got here with a few other cars. So let's start her out here. She has no sound, but she don't do too bad. Let's say she's gonna roll out a little slowly. The decoder that's in this engine takes a little bit before it gets going. It's got a lot of and we need to lessen that down a little bit. It's one of those Digitrax. It's got a lot of momentum in it, and to me that kind of robs the engine. So we need to loosen that up a little bit. She's pulling my my Pacer stack train intermodals from Kato, and my new One Ocean Express. I think that's what they call that. I want to say Express. I think it's One Ocean or One Ocean Network. Maybe it's One Ocean Network Express. But and then I've got my CAs on the flat car. One Ocean Network Express. Yeah, One Ocean Network Express. Kind of started going back to running Kato because you kind of get a good set of cars. They do really good on these ovals. You know, they just kind of fit. They fit really well. They work really well, and they They just tend to do really good uh, going around the ovals like this, and uh, that's why I like them. Is they just look like they're you know don't bother them to uh, go around these smaller uh, diameters, or these smaller circumferences of curves. They just seem to fit well, and I think it's just the way that Kato, what they put into them. They just seem to work and look really good when they're running on here. Running the Katy at 23 speed steps. And she seems to be handling it. She might be spinning out a little bit, but she seems to be handling it pretty good. I haven't ran the engine for a few days, actually maybe a few weeks. Yeah, a few weeks. Trying to catch up on a lot of stuff. After doing that, after having that gallbladder pulled out of me and having the stent put in to remove stone, it's been kind of something else, to me, I've done a lot more coughing than what I thought, and I think it's just because they when they was putting that stent down, in that area, I think it kind of rubbed a little bit down there, and they had to use gas and stuff like that to put the tool down in there to put the stent in place. And I think that's kind of made me do a lot more coughing than what I normally do. And like I say, I hope after having that stent removed, and that's, well, basically 10 o'clock today. I kept wanting to say tomorrow, but it's today now. Hopefully after that's all removed and this all heals up, where my gallbladder and that was removed, that's healing up. That's healing up, but now I've got to have that stent removed. So, but we thought since we got to film the real Katy coming through, we would show our Katy running, our heritage unit running. So with that, we're gonna slow her down. I'm gonna slow her down here, and with just about a minute or so tape, we're gonna slow her down to where we're gonna stop her here. And here pretty soon we're gonna go take a shower, and we got clean shavened up, and they tell you on your thing when you come to the hospital, you wanna wherever, if you need to shave, I guess, your face, you need to use this one wash. Well, I'm gonna wash, but I'm gonna wash with my own stuff. So gonna get a shower and gonna get going with that, and around 10 o'clock we hope to get that out. So guys, wish me luck, and if you like this video, please give me a big like, ring the bell, and give us a comment, and we appreciate you watching RDA N-Scale channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and again, wish me luck tomorrow. We'll see you. Bye-bye.